Welcome to another video, guys, and today we are checking out a 1972 Chevy Chevelle SS, fully restored with AC, gray as the exterior, black interior, automatic transmission, drivetrain we really don't know, and yeah, my name is Alex. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and let's get into this. Like I said, my name is Alex, and yeah, if you haven't seen any of my videos, we're at RPM again. It's been a minute. And if you love Chevys, love Chevelles, love Chevelle SS's, this is a perfect video for you guys. Please subscribe so you don't miss any other videos, and let's get into this. So what we usually do, we do the exterior, interior, review the comfortness, favorite thing about the car. That's really it. So let's do this. So gray for the exterior. Let me give you all like around the car. Sadly, we had to do it video like right there because look how skinny that is. But let me see if I can give y'all a good angle at the Chevelle right there. There's the SS's. You got the black racing stripes from in the front, which is nice. And then it has a wildwood brakes, and then just stock wheels. I like it. And then let me show you all the back. I hope I can give you all a good one. It's kind of, there they are. Oh, that's so neat. It has the Chevy badges, the exhausts. That's really cool. And there is the back. Oh, it's crap out of me. But yeah, sorry if y'all couldn't see it. And then we have black racing stripes all around. I think no, it's not on there. Just in the back too, in the front, which is pretty neat. Sadly, we won't be able to show you the front and the trunk because it's in an awkward angle, and I just don't want to scrape any of the cars. So, yeah, let's get on into the interior. We are in the inside. Here is the steering wheel. We got like the metal frame around, like inside inside the steering wheel. I like it a lot. I think it's really cool. We got this is the unlock. Like how you lock and unlock. This rolls the window, so let me see if I can show y'all if it will let me. Back in the day, they didn't have powered raising windows. We got Bradley there, the cameraman. So, yeah. This is what you had to do back in the old days for you guys that don't know that. We got the side mirrors.
This is my 2010 Ford Ranger, bro. I got the exact same thing. What do you mean back in the day? You feel old. It's 2000. They still had it in 2010. What do you mean back in the day?
Sucks for you.
Oh, I guess I'm old now.
he is. We got the dash. This is all restored. This was like all like rusted up and everything. Y'all know that. It on the mat it says. Let me see if I can give y'all a better view of this. It says Chevelle on the mat, which I think is pretty cool. So we got the automatic. We got the emergency brake right there. We got the accelerator and brake, and then right here we got the something right here. I guess this is the wipers. No, washer wiper right here. I guess this is the what's it called. You know what I mean? Turn signals. My bad. And then we got this is the key. Pretty cool, very neat. We're gonna put that back in there. We got, I guess this raises the steering wheel maybe. And then we got something right here. This is the volts. And then there's shows the RPM. You got your AC right here. You can do it like that, change the direction. And then we got the temperature, and then we got the oil. And then this is the fuel gauge right here, and then it shows how fast. 0 to 160. Nice. I think this right here tells you like the lights and everything. And then this might raise the steering wheel up. I don't think it is. I don't think so. But right here we got the air conditioning. You got max. You got your normal. You got your max AC. It's on off mode. This is your low and height. The increase. This is cold. The temperature right down below. The heating right here. So you got your vent, HTR, the EF, and the dice. I don't know. You got your AC control, AC right here. You got your Kenwood audio system, which I think is nice. And then the lighter for the vote and everything. So yeah. And then this is the shift. So you just pull this back, and there you go. 1 to 3rd gear as you're parking, reverse, normal. So I guess it still is like kinda what's it called? Kinda like manual in a way, but then it has Chevelle SS on the mat right there. Don't know if y'all can see it well, but it's basically the same thing right there. You got your glove compartment there, AC. You got your back mirror, which I think is pretty cool. You got your blinder, no like mirror to see yourself. You got black stitching all around the seats. This is what the seat looks like. Sorry if I'm going too fast, my bad. There's the lock right there in the window, or that's the window, like lock, and then there's your window over there. And then if you press this, oh, I guess you need a key to do it, but this is where you put your gloves, right? Let's see if we can do it. Here's the other way. Is it this key? Hold on, guys. Going open, but it's okay. Sadly, I cannot turn on the car to just show you how good it sounds. I love the sound of this. It sounds really nice. This is what the seatbelt looks like. You got like the old-fashioned airplane seats right here, like seatbelts. Let me see if I can. Oh, this is stuck all the way down there. Well, I can just show you this one. It's like that, which is nice. I do love the headrests. Sadly, I won't sit in the back because I can't fit my feet in there, and I don't want to dirty up the car. But it looks nice. The comfortability things, I love it. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I love it. I would not get tired driving this car. I just love it a lot. Favorite thing about the car, probably. Oh, forgot to show you guys. These are your turn signals up here, and then there's something right here. But favorite thing about this car is probably the shifter. I think it's really cool. The Kenwood system, and then I just like the steering wheel itself. So I think that's great. And then yeah, let's review the entire car. Well, not review it, but let's rate the entire car. Right, here it is. Probably my favorite thing about, or not my favorite thing. I already did that. Rate the car. The rating of the car. I love the black racing stripes. Love the Chevelle. I'd probably get a 9 out of 10. Even though I said the comfortability thing was like a 10 out of 10. I love it a lot still. Leave the comments below. What cars do you want me to review? Sorry for the access noise. They're doing their job. I'm not going to stop them or anything. That'd just be rude. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Please go check out RPM Garage, link in the description, Dallas, Texas. Also go check out my other channels. I have 3 other channels. I have a vlog channel, The Crew. The Crew Plays. We have The Crew Games. So The Crew Plays is my Minecraft channel, and then The Crew Games is my gaming channel. So yeah, well, here's a good angle. It ain't that bad. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode or video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn that notification bell, and have a good day.